On October 16, I published a video titled Veggie Sprouts Part 1 of 2 Basic Economy Level. And I was getting some bean sprouts, more specifically lentil sprouts, ready for the week ahead. It takes about 3 days for the beans to sprout. And so I had these beans in the dark, and this video is a shorter version of the video that I'm going to publish right after this one, which is going to go into a little bit more detail. This video is the end result, so it's more of a summary. So I finished getting the bean sprouts ready, and I want to show you the result of what I've put together and prepared, right? So this is me getting the cleanup done, so I got all the tools put away. And so I washed the lentils, right? I actually applied a little bit of apple cider vinegar in a solution of water to each bag of lentils, and then I rinsed that. I let that soak for about 2 minutes, 2 to 4 minutes per bag, and then I drained that, and then I put in some spring water and let it soak in the spring water for another 5 minutes, and then I drained each bag. And then I transferred the final lentils into fresh resealable bags, after shaking them up. And I'm going to show all of that in a more extensive video to follow. But this is the final result. I'm going to refrigerate these bags of lentils, and that's going to put their growth process on pause. They've reached the maximum level I need for them from a nutrition standpoint, right? So they're at their maximum level of nutrition that they could provide me, and refrigerating them will keep them fresh for up to 7 days. So any one of those bags can last 7 days, but I will be eating each bag each day for the next week. Okay, so it's Thursday right now. It's Thursday, October the 19th. So these lentils will go until Thursday or Friday of next week, right? And so they're going to last until the 27th of October. And it's going to be totally awesome, right? And so I got a mixture here of green lentils, and I got red lentils, and then I got one bag of mixed red and green that I was doing as an experiment, which it was a successful experiment. I've never sprouted red lentils before, but the process is the same as sprouting any other bean, and so it succeeded. And so if you go to my original video, Veggie Sprouts Part 1 of 2, Basic Economy Level, that I published on October the 16th, you can see this process from the very beginning. And then now I have these in clean bags, and I will be able to grab and go. So when I'm ready to eat them for a lunch break at work or dinner, or both, because, I could either eat a whole bag or I could divide. Each bag could be 2 meals. It depends on what your tolerance level is in terms of quantity of food. So 1, let's see, 2, and 3, 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then there's a 7th bag. And so I got about 7 bags here. And so, yeah, it's going to stretch for an entire calendar week. And so I'm pretty good to go in terms of food stocks. Now, this could last 2 weeks instead of just one if I decided to divide the bags in two, right? Portion it out, right? Just eat half a bag. But I decided not to do that. I'm going to get the maximum benefit nutrition from each bag. And so I'm going to eat the whole bag. And so this group is going to last me an entire week and give me an abundance of plant-based protein and nutrition. Not just protein, but nutrition. It's going to be totally awesome. And so I am greatly looking forward to it. And I'm very excited with the result, and I hope you will be too.